bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad.
It's JKA and we're back. This time I'll be showing y'all how I took this dusty pink ombre wig, then I stripped it to this blonde color with no damage at all. Then I dyed it again to this purple color, and these will be the only 4 products that you will need. Everything should be under about $5 each. And the clarifying shampoo I found at Walmart for 94 cents. And yes, it does have to be a clarifying shampoo. Starting off, you will of course need a container and boiling water, which I just filled up about halfway. And I don't think it matters what order you put the liquids in first. I just believe that it would be better to put the baking soda last because it's going to fizz everything up. And if you would like measurements, I think I put in about half a cup of each. And with the baking soda, I just kept pouring until the whole thing fizzed up. Then I mixed it all together. And y'all are going to hear this beat for the whole video because YouTube be playing with the copyright too much. So I hope y'all enjoy it. It's finally dipping time, and I'm starting with the ends first, of course, and I'm just using the spoon to saturate all of the hair because I'm not about to touch no boiling water with my hands. No ma'am. And I just let that sit for about 2 to 5 minutes, and I'll be back. This is the result after rinsing it with cold water, and you guys, it is such a cute, pretty salmon color. But you know, I'm trying to get to blonde, so I'm just going to repeat these steps 2 more times. In all honesty, I could have stopped after the second rinse, but I wanted to go the extra mile to make sure that it was the absolute blondest that it could get. And don't worry about, you know, the tracks and stuff showing, you know, we ain't gonna see that at the end. And this is the final blonde color, girl. Thank you, AOB Craft, girl. Thank you for showing us this method and putting us on to this gem, because I feel like I really would have messed up with them hair color stripping things. But finally, we are on the second to last step, the restoration process. And all you need to do is mix in some conditioner with your boiling water, let the hair sit in there for like 5 minutes, then you're done, boo. But you know, I gotta go the extra mile to re-dye the wig, so y'all can just enjoy the rest of the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give me a thumbs down. You can subscribe if you would like, but leave me a comment down below. All right, bye.